Hey, this is Alejandro Parhus for EverythingWM.com, and today we're taking a look at the Sketch application developed by ThumbMonkey. Previously, we've looked at their other app, which is called Phototastic, and it's a great application for photo effects and borders. And this time around, they're coming out with a new application called Sketch, which does exactly what the title says. It applies the sketch effect to any image you load into it, such as a person. Sometimes it works well with scenery as long as you don't have a lot of background. And you could use it for, flowers, pets, anything else. On the bottom you have your typical 4 icons. It takes you to more applications from ThumbMonkey. You could rate this application specifically, you could provide feedback, and you have the about section. This is version 1 of the application. And this is the main menu right here. Simply you have you could either add a new photo directly from your camera roll. You could take a picture within the application, or if you go back, you could load a picture from the media library. Now once you load your image, this is the only screen you have to work with until you finalize your image and you simply save it. Up here you have your effect selection. As you go through them, it'll provide real-time showing of what the effect will look like on your image, and you have up to about 14 effects here. Now the developer of the application already contacted us, and even though this is version 1 of the application, it has been changed a little. It's been fixed with a couple of bugs, and these specific effects, as you can see, they're kind of like all over the place. They're just numbered. They've been given different titles, so they should be easier to flip through and know what you're selecting. For if you want a specific effect, you could remember that for next time based on the name of it. Once you select an effect, you have more options down here below. You have a colors option, which gives you the color of the image, and you could apply a vignette. Now most of the effects already have some type of vignette on the edge, or they have a feather effect applied, so the vignette will just further essentially reduce what you're viewing. Sometimes it looks good on certain images, other times it doesn't. And then once you select your effect, and if you want to add color or vignette to it, on the bottom here you have intensity, contours, brightness, and contrast. So obviously as you change them around, they do exactly what they say. You could change the intensity, you could change how many contours are highlighted in your image, you could change the brightness, and you could change the contrast of the actual image. And finally, when you're ready to save your image, you have the 3 options here. You could either save the image, reset all the settings including the effect, or you could cancel everything you've done as well, and it'll take you back to the main menu. Once you're ready to save your image, you'll come up on a page that's similar if you've used the Phototastic application from the same developer. It will give you the option to either save the image directly to your device, or you could upload it to social networks, Flickr, or PhotoBucket. Obviously we're just going to save it to our phone for demonstration purposes. On the top here it says photo saved to media library, and you're ready to go. That's about it for this application. Be sure to check it out when it's available on the Windows Phone Marketplace. If you're a developer and you want us to take a look at any applications, feel free to contact us at everythingwm.com, and see you guys next time.